Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send the playhead to the start of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is a super handy trick that can save you a ton of time when you're editing and need to quickly jump back to the beginning of your project. Let's dive right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program has loaded, you'll see your interface with various panels and options. At the bottom of your screen, locate and click on the Edit tab. This will take you into the editing workspace where you'll be working with your timeline and clips. Now, here's the thing. There are actually two different ways you can send your playhead back to the start of the timeline, and I'm going to show you both methods so you can choose whichever works best for your workflow. The first method involves using the menu options at the top of your screen. Click on Playback in the menu bar, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Go To. This will reveal another submenu with various navigation options. From these choices, click on Timeline Start. As soon as you select this option, your playhead will immediately jump back to the very beginning of your timeline, making it easy to review your project from the start. The second method is even quicker and is perfect if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your editing process. Simply press the Home key on your keyboard. This is a keyboard shortcut specifically designed for this function, and it instantly sends your playhead to the start of your timeline with just one keystroke. Once you get used to this shortcut, you'll find yourself using it constantly throughout your editing sessions, and that's it. You now know two efficient ways to send your playhead to the start of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve, whether you prefer navigating through menus or using quick keyboard shortcuts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.